What if your entire health tracker, payment system, and digital assistant fit on your finger? Sounds like sci-fi, but it's not. Apple is reportedly working on its most compact wearable yet. The Apple Smart Ring and this tiny titanium band might just replace your Apple Watch in the next few years. Here's everything we know so far and why 2025 could be the year of the Smart Ring takeover. Fitness bands got smaller. Watches got smarter. And now, the next leap in wearables is happening on your finger. Smart rings have been slowly rising, with brands like RA and Ultrahuman leading the charge. But now, Apple is preparing to enter the game. Patents, supply chain leaks, and insider reports are all pointing to one thing. The Apple Ring is real, and it's coming. So what can a tiny ring do? A lot more than you think. The Apple Ring is expected to feature pulse and blood oxygen sensors, sleep tracking and temperature monitoring, gesture controls for iPhone, iPad, and Mac, taptic vibration alerts, and even Apple Pay with a flick of your finger. It's not just a passive health ring, it's an interactive tool, one that could make smartwatches feel bulky by comparison. Apple never cuts corners on design, and the Smart Ring is no exception. Leaks suggest a lightweight titanium build, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra. It'll be available in multiple sizes, adjusted via an internal tension band, making it both secure and comfortable. And yes, it will come in silver, space black, and possibly a red edition. The display? Likely none. Instead, the ring will connect to your devices and give vibration or sound-based cues, keeping it minimal and seamless. How do you charge a ring? Apple's working on a magnetic capsule-style charger. Similar to AirPods, just drop the ring inside and it charges wirelessly. Expected battery life? 4 to 6 days per charge, beating most smartwatches by a mile. So that means less charging, more tracking, and a truly hands-free experience. Here's where it gets wild. Apple is reportedly building gesture controls directly into the ring. With a flick, pinch, or twist of your hand, you can answer calls, skip music, control presentations, or snap photos from your iPhone, and even confirm Apple Pay without touching anything. Combined with health tracking and Find My integration, the ring could replace 80% of what you use your Apple Watch for in a quarter of the size. So, when can you get it? Current leaks suggest Apple is testing prototypes in 2025, with a possible reveal at a spring 2026 event. Expected price? $349 to $399 USD, in line with base model Apple Watches. And yes, it'll be part of the Apple ecosystem, syncing with iOS, iCloud, and the Health app. This isn't just another wearable. It's a potential new category of interaction. The smartphone shrunk into a watch. Now the watch is shrinking into a ring. The future of wearables is smaller, smarter, and more invisible than ever. Would you ditch your smartwatch for a smart ring? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more futuristic tech delivered straight to your screen.